my name is Shivam Mukherjee and the name of my project is Sludge Knight, an innovative artificially intelligent robot for the eradication of manual scavenging. My sub-theme is cleanliness and health. Now, manual scavenging is the grisly practice of cleaning the sewage with bare hands. This is prevalent in India and this must be abolished. So to do this, we have made this robot. This robot has three units: the cleaning, the control and the support unit. The cleaning unit has Archimedes screws and a bucket. This Archimedes screw bucket, also known as a dredging bucket, can push sludge to one direction and transfer it to a powerful diaphragm pump, which pumps it up to the surface no matter what the height. Then we have the observation unit. This robot is as good as an observer as it is a cleaner. The observation unit has ultrasonic sensors, cameras, lights, etc. to map the health of the sewer. So because we see sometimes sewage water seeps into water pipelines because of, actually to say, very carelessly thought of concrete within the sewer walls. Next we have external arms, one with a drill and one with a pick and place arm. This helps in breaking rocks and cloth and other objects which might as well cause disruption to the working of the project. Then we have a support unit with an air compressor, monitor and many other things which will help in the functioning of the cleaning unit. And finally, a very easy to control unit. This control unit can even be controlled by a municipal worker, manual scavenger, because it is easy to control. Then now it works on two basic principles: Archimedes screws, which cut through the sewage which is present in the bucket of the JCB like an arm, and the robot with a powerful diaphragm pump which sucks the sewage from the bucket continuously for a non-stop cleaning activity without it having to come out of the sewers again and again and again. Then it is computer operated and has a remote to operate from any distance. It has a drill to break any obstructions and a mechanical arm to pick it up. It has built-in camera for live video recordings, and also to say it is built in with AI. AI allows it to map any data with ease. This helps us to autonomously control these robots without anybody having to control them. Finally, this can effectively be used to clean sewers and septic tanks. But in the future, we are going to clean different types of pipelines like WWTV pipelines, water pumping station, even nuclear power pipelines with them. This is the future of India, of a smart city, of water conservation, because unclogged sewage can also lead to floods, causing water wastage, millions of liters per year, and this during the monsoon season. We can only be called a developed nations when we can stop sending our own people down the drains. And a Swachh Bharat is a Bharat without without clogged sewers, without people going down drains, and without people having no rights at all. This is Sludge Knight.